Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Bumble account in your PC browser. Now let's begin. Do note that this right here is the interface of Bumble, and right now what we want to do is simply log out. At the top left, here's your profile name along with your picture. Simply click on it, then this page will open up. Once you're in this page, well, there are lots of options like edit profile, settings and everything. But what we want to do is simply log out. At the very end, you'll find a button like this that says log out. If you do want to log out, simply hit on the button and then it's gonna ask for your confirmation. If you don't want to log out, you can cancel right now. Else, simply hit on log out. And guys, that's it. That's how you log out from your Bumble account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.